Good morning, children.
Today we are going to see numbers up to 5 digits. Why is place value important? Place value is very important because it helps in reading numbers easily. Okay. Have you all seen the math lab activity video? Yes. What are all the place values we have seen there? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Today we are going to see a new place value. Yes, before that, shall we help Lydia solve her math problems? Yes, come on. How many ones make a tens? 10 ones. Very good. How many tens make a hundred? 10 tens. How many hundreds make a thousand? 10 hundreds. Very good. Each cube in figure 1 is made of dash beads. We know this cube represents thousands. Very good. So each cube is made of 1000 beads. How many beads are there in figure 1? So shall we count now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Each cube represents 1000 beads. So these all 9 beads represents 9000 beads. Very good. When we add one more cube of 1000 to 9 cubes, we get 10 cubes of thousands. Now I am going to add 1 to this number. Read this number, 9999. Okay, 9 plus 1 is what? It is 10. So write the 0 in 1's place, plus 1 in 10's place. 9 plus 1 is again 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 again. So 9 plus 1 is 10 again. I don't have any number here, so I am writing 10 directly. When we add 1 to 9999, we get 10,000. Yes, so write 10,000 here. 10,000 is written in the number form as 10,000. Look at here. This is the place value chart for the number 10,000. So we have 0 in 1's place, 0 in 10's place, 0 in 100's place, 0 in 1000's place and 1 in 10,000's place. Okay, next come to the next page. Here we have two periods. One is 1's period and the other one is 1000's period. In 1's period we have 1's, 10's and 100's. In 1000's period we have 1000 and 10,000. Okay, now we are going to represent the numbers with comma. Why do we use comma here? We use comma for reading the numbers easily. Here they have given a number and they have represented that number in number form, number name and expanded form. So shall we try this number name by ourselves? So it is 24,678. Very good. So in expanded form, how you have to write? We have to write with the place values and add a plus symbol. Okay, so 2 is in 10,000's place. So what is the value of 2? 20,000. What is the value of 4? 4,000. What is the value of 6? 600. What is the value of 7? 7 tens. 7 tens is 70 and 8 ones. So 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, now come to the exercise 2.2. Explain the difference between the two sixes in the number 67,654. We are going to explain the difference between the two sixes. What is the difference? Can you find? Yes, here 6 is in hundreds place, and this 6 is in 10,000s place. Tell me the place values for this number. So 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 7 is in thousands place, and 6 is again here, which is in 10,000s place. How is each place value related to the other on the right? How is it related? It is related by increasing it by 10 times. So, if I take ones place, how many ones make tens? 10 ones. Again, come here. How many tens make 100? 10 tens. So, it is increasing by 10 times. And now, you are going to write an example of your own for this. Complete the table by filling the numbers, number name and in expanded form. So a number is given here. You are going to write the number name and expanded form. They have formed a number for us and they have also written the number name. We are going to write the expanded form for this number. Okay, tell me the expanded form. 20,000 plus 5,000 plus here we have 0. So 0 in any place value is 0. So we need not write that. I can come to 9. 9 is in tens place. So it is 90 plus 2 ones. Yes. Come, another sum we shall do. They have given the numbers. You are going to form the number. Tell me the number. 49,248. So write the number name. 49,248. Write the expanded form for this number. So it is 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 8. Okay, I have done 2 sums for you and you are going to do the remaining 4 sums. We get a new place in the place value system when 10 groups of numbers from the previous place value are put together. So for example, if I take tens place, what is the previous place value? It is ones. When I put 10 ones together, it makes a new place value like 10. Yes, that is given here. Okay, now read this question. Place commas on the price tags of the following goods. So, I am going to choose any one from this. Let me take this air conditioner. I am going to place comma for this number. 35,000. Where I have to place the comma? I have to place it after the ones period. So ones period, what are all the values we have? Ones, tens and hundreds. So after hundreds, place the comma. So this is the number I have done and you are going to do it for the remaining. And I have chosen 35,000 and I am going to write the periods and number name and expanded form for that number. So write the number here, 35,000. So we shall start from ones place. We have 0, 0, 0, 5 and 3. What is the number name for this number? 35,000. What is the expanded form for this number? 30,000 plus 5,000. And in this box, you are going to choose a number and write and fill this column. Now, we are going to do a fun activity with numbers. Look at this. Some numbers, when seen upside down, look like words. Yes, for example, they have given some words. Let us take L. If I take L, if it is seen upside down, it will be looking like 7. Okay, so like that, they have formed 2 words. When 6 07 is turned upside down, it looks like log. And 07734, when this number is written and it is turned upside down, it is viewed as hello. Let me give an example for you. 0 3 7. Yes, so shall I turn this now? If I turn this upside down and see, the word formed is Leo. Very good. And I have done an example for you. You are going to form such words and show it to me in the next class.
Do the self work and post the pictures in WhatsApp group.